is Ryan Morais. Happy Bug Week, and I'm here to show you some bug hunting tips to kick off the week. So first, while it's great to look underneath some logs and rocks for what's hiding underneath them, it's also a great place to look. If you peel back the bark itself, there's a lot of things such as wood-eating beetles underneath and grubs. So another great way to find bugs kind of indiscriminately is if you have a net and you hold it underneath something like a branch on a tree, and then you kind of lightly hit the branch with another stick or a pole or whatever you have, and then bugs will actually fall straight into the net that you can examine afterwards. If you do have a net to catch some bugs with, the best thing to do is to find some nice knee or leg length shrubbery and just go into a wide arch and getting all of it. Just trying to catch whatever you can inside and then just examining your net afterwards. Oh, I got something. Oh, look at this. Now that's a rare find. She is beautiful. This beauty, a brown plush beetle. It just goes to show what kind of wonderful things you can find even in your own backyard. And to make a really easy bug trap, you could fill a glass jar with some old fruit or some honey and just watch as the insects fly towards it. And then if you wanted to add something to your backyard that's a little bit of an insect dwelling area, you could just lay down a nice flat plank. And then every now and again you can open it up and get a little surprise. And make sure you check out the bug activities online on the UConn Bugs Week website. We have really exciting things that will be shown in this next story, but like quizzes and a fill-in picture, etc., etc. So I hope to see you there. So that's it. Have an amazing week. Good luck collecting some bugs, and I'll see you in the field. This has been Ryan Morais, and bye-bye.